In parting, pwede bang klaruhin mo lang ano ang pagkakaiba nung nangyari kay Rodrigo Duterte na inihatid sa The Hague at itong nangyari dito kay Maduro, please, para lang sa mga nakikinig ngayon because they're comparing it eh. Oo.
Oo.
Sige, go,
Oo.
go ahead,
Right.
Professor.
medyo medyo basic yung difference. Unang-una,
Aha.
no? Unang-una yung hindi kidnapping yung nangyari, no, doon sa kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, no? With the consent of the Philippine government, no? Siya ay dinala sa The Hague, no? Hindi nag-consent yung Venezuelan government, no? Yung kay Maduro, and in fact walang military force na deploy, no, in the Rodrigo Duterte arrest or surrender. Yun yung una. Pangalawa, magkaibang jurisdiction kasi yung kay Maduro, yung kanyang kaso is in a domestic court of a foreign country. Yung kay Rodrigo Duterte is in an international court of which the Philippines have ratified and is a member, no? Kahit sabihin natin umalis nung 2019, pero yung mga charges happened before. So, klarong may jurisdiction. And in fact, no, natalo nga yung motion, no, na wala daw jurisdiction yung ICC. Sinabi na ng ICC na may jurisdiction over this case. And finally, I think, Ted, malinaw dito, and I hope, no, yung mga kababayan natin na naguguluhan, malinawan, Rodrigo Duterte was not the sitting president of the Philippines when he was arrested and given to the ICC, unlike Nicolas Maduro.
So, to simplify it, si dating Pangulong Duterte inihatid ng Philippine government sa The Hague.
Yes po. Yes po.
yun
Opo.
Inihatid
Kasi
Opo.
magiging
May consent.
comparable lang. Magiging
May
comparable lang,
Oo.
Ted and Chacha, kasi kung mismong yung Venezuelan government, let's say yung vice president niya o yung armed forces ng Venezuela, ang mismong nag-allow, no, at
Nagbigay ng consent.
tinulungan. And in fact, ito yung nangyari kay Orlando Hernandez, dating presidente ng Honduras, no? May extradition request yung US, drug charges din to. No? Kaya lang, ang contradictory dito, Ted, pinardon ni Trump si Orlando Hernandez on drug charges.
Aray.
Kaya doon mo makikita na hindi ito drugs eh.
Tama.
Kasi kung